Hey guys, so in this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram app stopped working or crashing. If your Instagram app keeps exiting by itself or keeps lagging, this fix will help you solve that problem. The first thing you need to do is to open your Play Store or App Store and search for the app Instagram. And if you can see there is an update there, just click update because maybe your application was not updated. That's why it keeps crashing or it keeps stopped working. So now just click update and then wait for your application to be updated. Once updated, click open and you will go to your Instagram app. If you are still experiencing a problem on your Instagram app, try this another method. Go to your control center and click the settings button, or go to your settings application and open your settings. Find your app manager or app management and go to your app settings. Once there, search for Instagram. Click for Instagram app and then go to storage and cache. Here, you need to click your clear cache. For that, your Instagram cache will be cleared. Then go back to your Instagram and try using it. If you are still having a problem, go back to this process, but now clear data. And then go back to your Instagram app and try using it again, and most likely you won't be having any problem anymore. If your Instagram still keeps crashing, your last resort is to uninstall the app, restart your phone, and install again, and log into your account. And that will likely help you solve this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.